Hi everyone, how's it going? Today is April 22, 2022. So today we're starting building and layout of my wife's greenhouse. So we're starting a layout. My son, we're doing the greenhouse from scratch, from free stuff like a recycled material. So I'll show you guys. We have here sliding doors. These are the sliding doors from renovation from buildings. They replaced their sliding doors. They gave it to us, so it's 23 pieces of balcony sliding doors. And what we have here also is those tempo. These are recycled tempo. It's still good. The material, the metal is still structurally sound. So we'll try to recycle this and make it Victorian style greenhouse. I'll show you some materials here. These are some reinforcement bars. These are the posts that I'm planning to put, and the truss details. This is the location where my wife wants to put the greenhouse. So it's going to be facing the house. Sorry for the mess. My backyard is so messy too. We're doing the like a renovation here. We dismantle all the woods in here for the pergola. We're trying to replace it with greenhouse. Right now I'm doing the truss detail. These are the trusses that I'm planning to put. So I'm reinforcing it with the 2 by 10 slab, cutting it in a 45-degree angle with this parts. So I'm modifying the angles here. So I'll show you. This is the plan that I'm trying to put. It should be 7 feet at least, and it will rise 4.5 feet with the 9-foot covered area. Hopefully I'll get this right because it's a little bit hard to cut the angles of the metal. Hopefully I finish it today. It's a very good weather today. All right, bear with me. Let's go. Guys, so maybe tomorrow I'll continue this one. It's already 8 o'clock. I think 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's already 8 o'clock p.m. We'll continue this tomorrow. It's already late. Thank you. Bye. Okay, now we're gonna be on the truss detail. So we're gonna remove the angle for the truss. We're gonna make it 90 degrees. So we're gonna remove 60 degrees. But I'm gonna remove it 30 and 30, so we can make the cut perfectly like this one. So see, if you cut it one time 60, 30 and 30 on both sides, it won't look like this. It will look like it will force the steel to crack. But if you do it slowly or small increments every cut, it will cut it like this perfect. Okay, let's do it. thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video gives you inspiration and idea to build yours too. See you on the next video. Bye.